content, component, source, effect and control measure of pollutions, radioactive pollution, need of environmental conservation are social responsibility. Now we'll see the components, source, effect, control measures of various types of pollution. The first one we'll take is air pollution. We'll see the components here. The CO2, that is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, sulfur, NOx. NOx means oxides of nitrogen, hydrogen sulfide, etc. Solid, dust, ash, carbon, lead, asbestos, etc. Source here: chemical industries, oil refineries, thermal power stations, paper industries, cloth mills, cement manufacturing, dynamites, stone crusher. Effect: impact on human health, serious effect on respiratory system, effect on plants and animals, acid rains, climate change. Control measure: tall chimney, improvement in production methodology, equipment to control the pollution. Now we'll see water pollution here. The components: biotic components, algae, virus, bacteria, parasites, abiotic factors, sand, soil, dust, floating particles, precipitate of salt, silver, lead, heavy metals, radioactive substances, organic components, weedicides, pesticides, sewage, etc. Source we'll see here, that is industrial waste, domestic waste, sewage, chemical discharge from industries, pesticides used in agriculture. Effect: epidemics of waterborne disease in humans, mortality of aquatic animals, eutrophication means the gradual increase in the concentration of phosphorus, nitrogen, other plant nutrients in an aging ecosystem such as a lake, and of water bodies. Now control measures. Measures to control the release of effluents. Now effluents here are the liquid waste. Laws against release of the toxic effluents in the water body. Soil pollutant we'll see now. We'll see with the component first. Here you will see the soil pollutants are different in different regions. Example: near the field, inorganic components of insecticide and excess of fertilizer, heavy metals and other toxic chemicals. Then we'll see source: industrial effluents, household toxic material, chemical pesticides, biomedical waste, e-waste, plastic waste. Then we'll see the effect: soil erosion, retarded growth of plants and crops, nutritional deficiency, etc. Then we'll see control measures: recycling and reusing the polluting material and solid waste management. Radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution can occur due to two reasons as natural and artificial. UV and IR radiations are natural radiations, whereas X-rays and radiations from atomic energy plants are artificial radiations. Chernobyl's wind scale and 3 Mill Islands mishaps are the major mishaps of the world till present. Thousands of people have been affected for long term due to this accident. Some of the effects of radiation are as follows: cancerous ulceration occurs due to the high radiations of X-rays, tissues in the body are destroyed, genetic changes occur, vision is adversely affected. Need of environmental conservation with the help of flow chart we'll see: to maintain clean, pollution-free air, water, land, to maintain balance in nature, to protect and conserve the biodiversity, to conserve the natural resources, to solve the natural and artificial problem, to give quality life and sustainable future to next generation. Need of environmental conservation. General public is not aware about the rules of environment conservation. There should be large-scale participation of people in environment conservation. It will be possible to answer the environmental problems only if environmental protection conservation becomes an effective public movement. For this purpose, values like positive attitude, affection towards environment, knowledge about it, etc. should be inculcated among the children since their childhood. This will help to make the future generations aware about the environmental conservation and protection. So as to achieve this, it is necessary to increase the awareness through education. Today, all the developing and underdeveloped countries have accepted the responsibility of environmental protection. Their efforts are in that direction. They have defined the future plans about environmental protection and have constituted the necessary laws. Environmental conservation are social responsibility. Since existence of human, there is interrelationships between human and environment. Humans stepped on earth long after formation of earth. On earth, human beings proved its superiority as compared to other animals with the help of characters like intelligence, memory, imaginary ability, etc. Human established domination over the nature. Human utilize all natural resources as much as possible. In an attempt to live a satisfactory life, human kept on snatching from the nature as much as possible, and this lead to increase in problem. From this entire scenario, we can understand that human has crucial role in maintaining the environmental balance. If human has disturbed the environmental balance, then human itself can conserve and improve the quality of nature. Many times, general public is unknown that its activity are harmful to environment, and thereby unknowingly many activity happens.